Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Robinhood app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. This is just for a demo purpose and I recently created my Robinhood account. So my identity verification is still on the process. You can add money to your Robinhood account only after your identity is verified. As you can see here, the process is verify identity at first, and only after that there is the option to add funds. So in order to add funds, you can do so from your linked bank accounts. While creating your Robinhood account, you might have given the information about your bank account. So when you add funds to your Robinhood account, you can choose from your linked bank accounts to transfer the money. If your Robinhood account is already verified, in this home screen, you'll see the option of buying power. You can directly tap on it and complete the process to add your money. You can directly tap on it and complete the process of adding money to your account. You can select the amount of money that you want to transfer. If you have multiple bank accounts linked to your account, you can choose your desired bank accounts. And after that, you can complete the process. And that's how you can easily transfer money to your Robinhood account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.